Welcome to Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this session, I'm going to show you how I play easy guitar chords that you probably don't know. The reason I say this is that these are not chords that are typically seen on YouTube, or at least not presented in this way. The guitar is tuned standard, E, A, D, G, B, E, and our first chord is an A suspended 13. May have not heard of that one, okay? So I'm going to place my finger or my index finger on the B string, fret 3, and then my middle finger on the D string, fret 4. I'm going to strum from the A string like this. That's an A suspended 13. Nice sounding chord. Now for the next one, I'm going to leave my fingers exactly where they are, but I'm going to play from the E or low E string, skip the A string, and go down to the D string and follow through. So now we have an E minor 9. Same shape, different strings, different chord. Okay, so A suspended 13, that's from the A string, and E minor 9, play the low E and skip the A string and follow through from the D string. Now if we play those chords one after another, starting with the E minor 9, it'll sound like this. Nice. Let's add some more chords. Let's go to a C major 7. We're going to play that by putting a finger on the A string at fret 3 and the D string at fret 2. Now I'm using my ring finger on the A string and my middle finger on the D string. The reason I'm doing that is if I wanted to play a C chord, all I have to do is put my finger here and I've got a C chord. I'm going to remove that index finger and I have a C major 7. So C chord, C major 7. Next we'll do a D major 9. Play this way. That's nice as well. We're going to hold down the G string at fret 2 and the B string at fret 2. Strumming from the D string, we get this. And I like sweeping the chord like that to get a nice melody. Now if we play all 4 chords, starting with the E minor 9, moving to the A suspended 13, then to the C major 7 and D major 9, it will sound like this. Now you can play these chords in any order to create your own chord progressions. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.